0.125 divided by 0.01. Okay, look, to divide this decimal by this 0.01, what will you do? 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, these are called power of 10, right? But these are less than 1. 10, 100,000, these are called also power of 10 but greater than 1. To divide a decimal by power of 10 which is less than 1, you need to count the number of place. Number of place is 2, so decimal point will move 2 digits from left to right. That is here. So you are getting 0, 1, 2.5. This 12.5. This is your result. Actually, dividing by 0.01 means you are multiplying by 100.